For myself, I've been on a search for myself.
Good morning and welcome to today's video, and welcome back to the Western Cape in South Africa. Today is the first proper stage of Hot Chili's Cape Rouleur, and we're riding for about 150 kilometers in the glorious sun. Morning, Omzi.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
You got some sticky tape on your ear?
I know, I've got a poorly ear.
Ah, I see.
Well, this is stage one, so we've just rolled out from Franschhoek. Really nothing now till the green section, which is at 38k, and then it's like a 1 kilometre sprint section. So we'll see how they get on in that, and then there'll be a little regroup for some water, but the group's a lot smaller than we perhaps anticipated because of the prologue. Some of the guys have opted to drop back into group 2.
That makes your job easy.
Well, easy's not right, that's not easy. You see how hard I'm working.
We've done about 25 miles in the first hour, which isn't bad at all. It's a pretty hot one today as well.
Are you looking...
You're littering.
biodegradable.
Is it?
That's not littering.
Yeah, but a banana, right, officially, well, in the UK, it takes like 100 years to biodegrade. It might be faster here because it's like
monkeys,
different soil. Other monkeys will go, what? Yeah, but they eat the banana skin. Maybe.
Everything.
Who won?
Yeah, it was good, yeah. Caught up behind a little split, so
Did you?
on our own, yeah.
Smashed it.
Yeah, it was good. No, it was good.
Now we've got what, like 2k and some food.
Literally 2k and then lunch, yeah. So it's getting warmer now. I don't know what.
It is hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe because we stopped as well. It makes it feel worse.
Yeah, but it's beautiful, and that's a nice section, that yellow section.
Where's Captain?
14k.
I used to put my sunblock on for him.
Yeah, it's
From the trouble.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, always.
In a sadistic kind of way.
Well, you've got to be some sort of bloody silly bastard to enjoy suffering like we do at times.
Next time you find a thorn this big in the road, try and steer around it. The thorn I had in it when we went for the ride the other day was huge. Yeah.
So now into the second half of today's ride. Those race sections turned out to be proper, like in the gutter, crosswind, echelons. That reminded me of, well, it was proper racing, and there's some strong boys out there. There's one more time section to go, and it's one of the big climbs. Well done, Maggie!
I made it!
Warm enough for you?
That's pretty much how I joined the Orange Stamp. Yeah.
Pale and ginger, we don't really do this weather.
Yeah, it's really got hot now. I've got through about 8 bottles of water. Luckily we have the support. This is kind of one of the reasons you can't just go riding in South Africa on your own. You'd be stopping for water like every 5 seconds, wouldn't you? And there's nowhere to stop, yeah. A vineyard, yeah, and you could just drink wine, yeah. You are just an alcoholic, man.
Yeah, but I do mix it with the riding. I have to do enough riding to justify a drink. Today's a big ride.
You do do the rides, yeah. Fair play to you, because you're like hungover every morning. You still get up and ride.
Yeah, hard.
When I'm hungover, I just stay in bed.
So you've got to play hard, work hard.
It's work hard, play hard.
Same thing, isn't it?
No. Final race section of the day finished. I kind of missed the front group, so I was like chasing back on the whole time. And I had like one teammate share the effort, but we weren't closing that gap. It's too hot as well. I mean, I'm not allowed to complain about the heat because it's snowing at home. Branners, is it downhill the whole way now?
Well, they tell me so, and from past experience it may be downhill, but I fear there may be a headwind for those blokes in the front.
Might be one of those Hot Chili downhills.
Yeah, it could be.
Otherwise known as
roly-poly.
uphill. Yeah. Holmesy, you are sweaty as.
You happy with the day?
It's almost like you've been working hard.
Yeah, I'm not normally used to working that hard in group one. Yeah, that was hot today. Might need some salt tonight on the chips.
Yeah, electrolytes, get them in.
Yeah, man, that was tough.
Time for a beer. Yeah, beer o'clock. All right, see you at the swimming pool.
For IB, Prince of Nigeria.
I knew it. Zab.
Didn't last long, did you?
No.
23
Straight.
seconds.
Yeah, it was, well, maybe half a minute.
Triathlon. This is called the cool down. You did a bike and then you ran into the pool.
Oh, that's the wrong way around. Of course. Reverse triathlon.
Reverse triathlon.
Yeah. Didn't even go for a run this morning.
If you don't mind me saying.
You spent how long on the front at the start? 35k?
An hour.
An hour?
Yeah, I couldn't lead them out on the sprint. They let me sit on the front with Whisk until the sprint, and then they changed.
You've earned that beer. You've earned that beer.
That stuff
Well, he's my third.
He hasn't though.
It looks a little like watermelon.
No,
Warren, you look salty.
Like a sea dog.
Seagull or sea dog?
Seagull, sea dog. I look like I've been shat on by a seagull, I think. It was a hard day at the office. We really battled through the roadworks. Did you guys battle through the roadworks?
Yeah.
We had about 17,000 punctures.
It was the same
So we
surface
went-
as Chapman's Peak.
Yeah, the controversial Chapman's Peak. Yeah. The one where you need a mountain bike to ride up these days or a 4x4. But yeah, no, it was good.
I don't know. I think it's a bit insensitive considering the guide today.
I've come up with a good solution to my hunger problem. I've ordered 2 meals.
that looks okay. 2 meals. They look the same.
Right, early night, another big day tomorrow. I think about 110k, it was going to be longer, but they've cut out a climb because of the wind conditions, and it just wouldn't be safe to ride it. In any case, I need to get some rest. I'll see you guys in the morning.